Meet Ginger Snap. Ginger is our 4-year-old Basenji. She and her brother Graham Cracker love to chase squirrels. When she's not busy chasing squirrels, she loves to sunbathe. This is Ginger when she was just a little pup. When we brought her home, Graham was a little freaked out, but before long, they were playing together. Like her brother, Ginger loves cucumber and peas. Oh, and doggy ice cream too. Ginger is so smart, she loves to talk to us, and even knows how to say I love you.
Say what?
Recently, we noticed that Ginger was having trouble holding her bladder. She started having accidents whenever we were away for more than a couple hours. She'd never had any issues with this before. At first we thought she was acting out, but after some testing, we discovered that she has Fanconi syndrome. Fanconi syndrome is a genetic disorder that can be fatal. But Ginger Snap is a fighter, and with our help, she's doing great. Every day she gets vitamin supplements and bicarbonate tablets to help keep her healthy. Like all Basenjis, Ginger is really intelligent and very cat-like. She even watches TV with us. You can follow her on Instagram if you'd like. Just search for Kenny Ray Video. If you like this video, please share it and hit that like button. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with the adventures of Ginger and her brother Graham. Thanks for watching.